As in our previous PPT, we were talking about what is an executive summary. An executive summary is a brief and conscious summary of a larger report or document. Its purpose is to give busy readers, such as managers or executives, a quick overview of the reporter's key point without reading the entire document. In the last PPT, we have mentioned it very clearly with the executive summary key areas: purpose of the report, key findings, conclusions, recommendations, and actionable information. Now coming to the purpose: improve reading comprehensions through personalized quizzes. That means how it helps: offers passages at different difficulty levels, asks questions to test your understanding of tone, structure, and maintains ideas. Great for building skimming, scamming, and deep reading habits. For example, read a short article and answer 5-10 questions, get instant feedbacks and reading level scores. Improve reading comprehensions through personalized quizzes. How it helps? It helps offers passages at different difficulty levels, asks questions to test your understanding of tone, structure, and maintains ideas. It's great for building skimming, scamming, and deep reading habits. As we have earlier referred to skimming, scamming, and deep reading habits, we know that skimming is just taking an overview, an idea about the topic. Scamming is taking the exact date and view about the topic, and deep reading is getting deep into it. So if the purpose is perfectly clear, readily available, reading comprehensions are personalized quizzes, we can make our passages at difficulty levels and questions or tests understanding the tone, structure, and maintaining ideas also will be there. Reading a short article and answering 5 to 10 questions will help us understand the topic very easily and be energetic about understanding things. Read a short article and answer 5 to 10 questions, get instant feedback and reading level scores. Now, what does the Google Scholar say? The Google Scholar is http://scholargoogle.com. Purpose: access credible academics and professional researches. How it helps? Gives you scholarly articles, researches, pages, and citations. Great for evaluating credibility, tone, and author intent. Useful when working on reports, case studies, or workplace analysis. Examples used: search for all in recruitment, get peer-reviewed studies with abstracts, read the abstract first to scan and then dive into full paper for deep reading. Any Google Scholar tool is scholar.googler.com, and the purpose for this is it can access credible academics and professional researches. How it helps? If you give your scholarly articles to this tool, research papers and citations, great evaluation, credibility, tone will happen, the author intent will be known. Useful hai when working on reports, case studies, and workplace analysis. Now, for example, if we have to search all in recruitment, get peer-reviewed studies in these abstracts, read the abstract first to scan and then read it first and then dive into understand the full paper for deep reading analysis. Purpose: online reports and dashboards. What is the purpose of online reports and dashboards? Purpose: practice interpreting business reports, charts, and executive summaries. How it helps? Builds skill in extracting key data and insights, sharpens your ability to interpret graphs, statistics, and summaries. Where to find these? Company websites, annual reports in sections, market research portals like Statista.com or McKinseyinsight.com. For example, read an executive summary, identify 3 key points, look at a chart and explain what it shows in one sentence. What is the purpose of these reports and dashboards? Why do we make these graphs? Why do we make these pie charts? Why do we upload these on any tool or any data? Simply the logic is that it practices your business reports. You have all the charts available over there. Executive summaries are there. How does it help? It builds skills in extracting key data at any point of time. You don't have to ask anybody for it. Just mark on the tool whatever you are looking forward to. The data will automatically appear to you. It sharpens your ability to interpret graphs, statistics and summaries. Where to find these? Companies' websites, annual report sections, market research portals are there. These two portals are mentioned in the column. Example use. What is the use of it? Read an executive summary, identify 3 points and then put it in one simple sentence. Thank you.